This is a 1971 GMC pickup. We just put a nice custom dual exhaust system on it. It's really tight. It's got a all modified frame. It's a retro mod build. Everything's really tight over the rear suspension here. It's a 4-link suspension, as you can see. Put some Magnaflow mufflers on it with some Magnaflow magnapack resonators, try to keep the resonance down. The customer doesn't want a lot of sound. It's got a well-built 400 small block, I think, with probably a Holly injection, something like that on it, but it's well built. Rumbles pretty good. Let's see what it sounds like.